Hey everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are making Mango Masti. It is a spicy mango drink which is really tasty. So let's begin. We're going to start by first adding ice into the glass. This I'm adding half cup of mango juice. I'm going to fill about half of the glass. Next to this I'm adding Mirinda. You can also use Fanta or any other orange drink. And then I'm adding some Sprite. Now for the spicy part, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and a pinch of red chili powder. I'm going to mix it well. Now to this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. There you go, our Mango Masti is ready. See, this is so easy and quick to make. I love that it has a nice spicy and salty taste plus with a nice sweet taste of mango. I think it is a great drink for the summertime. Definitely give it a try and let us know how does it comes out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.